Hi friends, this is Rajarshi Rajshekhar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Spiritual science is the mother of all sciences, my dear friends. That's why we are discussing about science of spirit. Meditation is the gateway of spiritual science. Breath is the source of energy. We have to understand these things. Teaching is the best way of learning. That's why I am teaching to learning purpose. I am learning while I am teaching. So, my dear friends, today our concept about hard work, smart work, no work. People are working for their survival needs, their day-to-day physical activity purpose. So, my dear friends, most of the people, 80% of the people on this planet working hard because their belief system. When we work hard, then only we will survive. They always think like that. Then only we will get enjoyment. Then only we will get money. So this thought process, this wrong belief system, that's why they are suffering. They are always working hard but not get the happiness because of their thought process. 80% of people are suffering for this. So small correction. Working hard means not happiness, my dear friends. Be happy always while working. Enjoy the process of working. That is means happiness. The end result is not happiness, my dear friends. You do not get end result. Is it happy or unhappy? While you are working, then only you will get happiness. That means the real happiness, my dear friends. So, hard work, and people are working for smart work. They are doing, while they are doing mentally their thought process. Here, people are suffering like that. The stress, mental stress, and mind work. This is the called smart work. These people are creating ideology. With their ideology, they are working. And there is also a lot of stress, mental stress is there. Lot of sufferings also is there because of thinking process. There are always new things to create. The smart work, in the smart work, like softwares, engineers. So, my dear friends, here hard work is suffering. Hard work people are suffering for their survival needs, and smart work people are also suffering. But compared to them, of course, there is little bit changes is there, but there is no work. No work people also is there. 80% of people work hard. 90% of people, 10% of people work smart, and remaining 10% people are there. They are working no work state. What is it means? Yes, we have been watching on this planet Rishis, Munis, Yogis. They just sit like that in meditation state. What we are thinking about them, they are not doing anything. Seems like that, but they are doing this global works, the universal works, through their meditation, through their energies, through their astral travelings. They are the protectors of this nature. But but we do not understand what they are doing. The meditators, the rishis, they are the earth savers. That's why we are surviving here, my dear friends. They are bringing the energies on this planet. So that is the reason we are here. Not for hard work people, not for smart work people. There is no work people are there. They are rishis, munis, yogis. From them we are getting energies, nature balancing, these kind of things. Of course we need hard work people also, we need smart work people also need, and no work people also we need. And here we must understand one more thing. These no work people, yogis, rishis, munis, they do a lot of work, physical works, hard work and smart work also. But in their thought process, they know the truth. Just they are witnessing that work. They do not expect anything else. They are enjoying their work while doing. That is the no work state, my dear friends. That is the meditation means. Meditation means witnessing about your actions, thoughts, words. While you are walking, just be there. While you are eating, just be there. That is meditation. That is the no work state. Enjoy the work process. Be there. Just focus on your work 100%. That is the no work state. Then only we will get happiness. Then only we will be happy, my dear friends. Otherwise, working hard, when we get result, then only we will be happy. Never ever happen. Result is not in our hands, my dear friends. Who knows what happens, the final. So, when you are working for that, enjoy that process. My dear friends, we must understand here, we are here for experiences. Soul having this body for experiences, not for money, not for anything else. We must need, why we are working, hard work, smart work, no work, these all works for experiences purpose. Soul wants these experiences through these senses, body senses and mind, through this. So that is the reason we are here. We must understand this. When you are enjoying the work process, then we will get experiences. We are here for experiences. Whatever the work you are doing, get the wisdom for that work, from that work. So that is the reason we are working. Of course, when you work, you will get benefit. So always have this thought, we are working for experience purpose. Then after money, then after our physical things. So this is the way of thinking, my dear friends. The mainly thinking pattern should be changed for this hard work, for this smart work, this low work purpose. I am here, my dear friends, no work state. Yes, I am doing lot of works. I am doing Rajarshi, Rajshekhar YouTube channel. I am doing this work, but I am not suffering anything. I am not feeling like that I am doing. Just I am here. I am just sharing my wisdom. That is the reason. I have no suffering for this to do. I am doing organic farming, Rajarshi music, Rajarshi films, Rajarshi meditation call services, lot of works. These all works for me, no work state. but 24 hours I am utilizing to learning purpose. That is the reason I am not stressed. That is the reason I am no work state. Just I am witnessing this all the works. So try to understand this concept, my dear friends. Hard work, smart work, no work depends upon your thought process. Just be there, be witness. While you are working, enjoy that work. Thank you, my dear friends. Thank you very much.